lineup. This is the naked bike, middle of the range. So this is before the GSX-S950. This is a 950, but funny enough, it's a 950, but it's an inline 4, which is interesting. Oil filters pretty accessible. Metallic blue finish, so it looks really good. You've got your super modern LED lights, loads of ground as well. Handlebars, nice and straight. Kind of Alcantara style seat here. Soft, looks pretty comfortable. Nice shape as well on the exhaust system here. It's not protruding out too much. Good looking swing arm. It just looks nice, you know. You've got this strange effect here, plastic. And then TFT, possibly indicator. Interesting, you've got shift lights here. Very interesting. Traction control. Ignition. Rear seat cowl. Pretty interesting. And a good colour too, and you can upgrade to heater grips for factory heater grips as an accessory.